Hi, this is Charles Sipe, and today I want to talk to you about personal branding online. So, what I recommend that everyone does is to get their own personal domain and have their name as their .com. For instance, chrisbrogan.com is a really good one, and this provides you a lot of benefits towards improving your personal brand, especially your personal brand online. And let me explain why. So when someone goes to Google and they're doing a search to find out more about you, maybe they heard about you and they want to learn more about you, they might type in your name into Google. You want the first result in Google to show as your personal website. And this allows you to really control what people find out about you, what people learn about you when they're looking for you. For instance, if someone was searching for you and they went to your website, they could find out about how you think. They can find out how knowledgeable you are about the subject that you focus on. So they can also find out who you're connected to. They can find you on different social networks, like they can click through to your Twitter account, or they can click on your LinkedIn account to find out more about your resume, and they can click your Facebook if you have a Facebook presence. So, but having your own personal website allows you to aggregate everything on the web about you in one place, and this is just a really good thing to do. And if you want to show up in #1 in Google, a really good idea is to start a blog on your personal website. I really recommend that you use WordPress and set up a WordPress blog on your personal domain. And let me explain a few steps on how to do this. So first, you want to register your domain with a domain registrar like GoDaddy or NetFirms. So you just go to GoDaddy or NetFirms and you purchase your own personal domain, which would be your name and a .com. If your name is a common name, you might have to be creative, and to get around this, you might have to use your middle initial, or go with a .net or .org or something like that. But once you have purchased this, it's only about $10 per year. The next step is to go and get your own personal hosting account. And this is what hosts your website and stores all the files of your website. So you can go to a hosting provider such as GoDaddy is a hosting provider. There's also HostMonster. There's a lot of other ones that are really good out there. So if you sign up for a hosting account, it's usually around $50 to $100 per year. Once you have this, then you can connect your domain to your hosting account, and it's pretty simple. If you Google it, you could find out easily how to do this. And then with your hosting account, you go in, you set up a WordPress blog on your domain, which is pretty simple. It's pretty straightforward. It just involves a few clicks, and if you Google it, you could probably find out some tutorials on how to do this. So that's basically it. And then you have a blog on your personal domain where you can create a lot of great content about your industry, or just interesting or useful information that you come across, or you can give your opinion on a topic. And the more content you create, the more frequently Google will come visit your site and put it in its index. And another great reason to have the domain be your actual name is that when people are linking to your personal website, they often include the domain in the link as what is called the anchor text. So when they're linking to you, the anchor text would be go to this link, www.chrisbrogan.com. So that link includes text of Chris Brogan, which is the keyword that he would want to focus on in order to rank highly in Google for his personal brand. And so Google takes into account the keywords that are actually used in other people's links to your site. And this will give you an advantage over other sites and help you rank higher in Google for your keyword, which would in this case be your name. So that's the tip of the day. So definitely go set up your personal website. A lot of people don't do it. I think it's a mistake. I think everyone should have their own personal website on their own personal domain. So this is Charles Sipe, and until next time.